Hi guys, welcome back to Arty Resin channel. My name is Thais, and for the new subscribers, a warm welcome and a huge thank you. I hope you enjoyed the channel. So for today's video, I chose to do two Geode coasters, and for them, I chose the woodcuts I have from Dollar Tree. They have different shapes and sizes, as you guys can see, and I love them because we can do like endless pieces, like beautiful projects with them. We can color them as I did with these that I'm going to do today, or we can use it as is. They're so pretty and cheap because they're from Dollar Tree. So each package comes with 6 little woodcuts. So yeah, I colored them with the acrylic paint markers, and I chose these 3 colors, as you guys can see. And it's a little heart with 2 little birds. It's so cute. So yeah, I decided to use those today. And these little leaf charms that I really don't remember where I bought them from, guys. They're really old. So I'm gonna do as I'm showing you there. I think it's cute like that. I hope it works. So, and this pan is the DecoColor pen. I love it. I normally use it when the project is done, when I have the coaster done already, cured. But I decided to give it a try to use it in the mold to see if when we demold it, if it's going to look nice. I'm going to give it a go to see how it works. And I'm going to use to color the resin. I'm going to use the Let's Resin white mica powder because it's a pearl finish, right? It's mica. And I'm going to mix with the DecoArt golden metallic acrylic paint. Just a little bit, like 1 or 2 drops of it, so we can get to like a beige color. And yeah, so I'm gonna do it first and then put my woodcuts and my charm, and then I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. Okay, I'm back with my resin, and as you guys can see, I changed my silicone mat. The blue one was really old and stained. It was bothering me so much. So today I'm using Platinum River Table Epoxy. And I know it's better to use it for deep molds. It's not that it's better. It's made to use on deep molds. And this is a really thin mold, but nothing goes wrong when I use it. I really like it. And I was out of the 360 plus. So I'm using this one and it's gonna be okay. And I love this resin because it's so thin, and I don't struggle with bubbles. I can control them easily just using alcohol. And now I'm giving it a good mix so we don't have any viscosity in our way here. And look, like around 3 minutes later or less, it's ready to go. Pretty clear, no bubbles. I love it, guys. So now I'm going to put a little bit in the smaller cup because it's easier for me to pour, and because we only need this amount or so, because we will only pour half or a little bit more than half in each mold, right? Because we need to put our woodcuts in and let it dry, and we need more space to do the top clear coat, right? So yeah, there I'm showing you guys the temperature was perfect, like 25 Celsius. And it's perfect to work with resin. It was just perfect. I like having this little thing around to check the temperature because it makes a huge difference when working with resin, guys. So it will be good for you to have one too. So yeah, I'm taking a big scoop of the Let's Resin white mica powder. I'm gonna give it a mix. And then I'm gonna I think I'm gonna use 1 or 2 drops of the golden acrylic paint. Because I don't want it really golden, I just don't want it really white either. So it's just to give it a color. And with the acrylic paint, let's start with 1 drop and give it a good mix to see how it goes. And If we need more, we can always add a little bit more, right? It's so dark in here, but when I turn the ring light, you see, it's right on the coasters, and I'm afraid you guys won't be able to see. So I put it in like low. It's not helping that much, but I think it's better than it was. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with the color that I got mixing the mica powder and the acrylic paint. So now I think we're good to start with the DecoColor pen to go around the edges of the coasters. Actually, to go around the edge of the molds, right? The coasters are not done yet. And let's see if it's gonna work. But before I start, I will definitely need some light on here, guys, because I can barely see. I hope it's okay with you. I hope it's not making it hard for you guys to see, because I cannot. It's just too dark. Okay, it worked, but I will definitely need to give them touch-ups when they're cured, because there are some little spots that the pen just didn't work, you know. But look at this color, guys. This is perfect. I love it. So let's pour it so we can after put our wood cuts and let it dry. Okay, so now let's give them good spritz of alcohol to control the bubbles and to avoid the ones that are thinking of coming up. And I'm going to start putting the woodcuts now. And the way that I put them, guys, you will see that I don't move them because I'm so afraid that they will sink. Not all, but parts of it, you know, because I put not too much, but I put more than I should. Like the resin, I put more than I should. It was a little bit over the half, like over what I was expecting to do. So I was afraid of the woodcuts to sink. So I don't even move them. You see, I put them. I wonder if I should or not move them. I was like, no, just leave them. They're quite right in right position. So I'm not gonna move them around. And with the other one, the same thing. And you guys will see that when it comes to insert the leaf charms, I wasn't sure about it because they are really, really thin and obviously light, and they would certainly sink. And I didn't think of that before. So I wasn't sure if I should put them now or not, but I decided to give it a try anyways. But you guys will see what happened. So yeah, I took my tweezers to put them in, and I was so concerned. Of course it wouldn't work, right? Like, there's no way. And I was just, why didn't I think of that before? So I just shouldn't go for it, you know, but I did anyways, just to make sure that that it would go wrong. It did, of course. So yeah, so I'm going to take it out and clean it, and everything's gonna be okay. I didn't mess it up. And then I need to wait for it to dry, to cure, so I can put it, place them when I do the top coat. So I place them and do the top coat. The thing is, I didn't want that because they have little holes, because they're charms, right? And they have little holes on their point. And I didn't want the holes to show, but I had no other choice at this point, you know. So I just needed to do that. And here we are again after cured. And now, just now, guys, we're going to add the charms so they don't sink. And I decided not to use the alcohol like directly to the mold before pouring the resin as I usually do, because as I don't know if you guys remember, but we colored the woodcuts with the acrylic paint markers. So I was afraid that the alcohol would like damage them, and I didn't want to take the risk. So I'm going to pour the resin first and then insert my charms so then I can spread the alcohol. So let's go for it. Okie dokie. Resin poured, charms in place. Now let's spray alcohol because we don't like bubbles. And yeah, that's it for now, but don't leave me alone here. I'm gonna be right back for the demolding time, okay? See you guys. And here I am. I'm back. Let's demold them to see how they look like. And as I thought, I will definitely need to go around the edges with the pen again. You see the missing spots? Now let's demold the other one. And yes, here they are. I just need to give them a touch up with the DecoColor pen and they're gonna be ready to go. I actually realized that there are some sharp points. So before finish it up with the DecoColor pen, I'm going to use my file to trim them and then I'm going to finish them up. And they're ready. I hope you guys liked it. And thank you so much for sticking around. I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Have a great day. Bye.